Hey guys, I'm back with a quick update. I wanted to show you the painted inner frame before I weather it and get the armor pieces on. So I will be reviewing this kit from a painter standpoint. So if you are someone who's going to airbrush the entire kit and you want to know what points to kind of look out for, or if there's any issues, I would say so far there are no issues whatsoever. None of the pieces due to the articulation are going to rub off. You're not going to lose any paint anywhere. The only spots that I decided to leave bare plastic are actually the chrome pistons there. I like the way it's plated. In some of the spots you will get some nub marks. Specifically, I think it was the back of the arms. There will be a nub mark there. I just got rid of that with a liquid chrome marker from Molotov. Dabbed it on. It's not perfectly clean, but I'm going to be weathering the kit, so that's fine. If it looks kind of chunky, it's really clean for the most part. I would say that those are the only two there and down here that might ever be visible due to nub marks. But once you get the armor on, a lot of that's hidden. So I'm normally not a lazy builder. I would have gotten rid of it anyways, but I just at least covered it up. So real quickly, the entire inner frame was painted in Mr. Color Stainless, as I mentioned in the previous video. This is what it actually looks like once it's on the kit. I'll get it nice and close so you guys can kind of see that. This is a buffable paint. I would say out of all the paints that I've tried in this specific line, this is the least buffable, but you can still get some tonal differences. I think the best one in this line is the dark iron. That one you can actually see a difference. Anyways, I used stainless on it. I also used Mr. Color number 9, just regular gold for all of the gold pieces here. As you can see, all the pistons, those back vents there on the legs, the feet, a couple spots on the back of the arms, the piping there. I didn't want to go too crazy with it. Those little red symbols there, and on the front, all I did there was use some Model Masters red enamel, lathered it on real thick, took lighter fluid with a Q-tip, took off what was on the surface and left the red behind. So a nice little touch there. For everything else, you can see the detail here, the detail on the arms. You can see some minor details in certain connections. That is just Tamiya's XF63 German gray that I hand painted on a few parts. So I would say that if you really want to do a super over the top detailed paint job, this is a great kit to do it on. There's lots of spots here that you can mask. There's lots of spots that you can use a lot of different tones. I kept it simple. I wanted to at least bring out some change, but also not overdo it. So hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw some pictures at the end of it here, but just so you can kind of see what I ended up working on. I also did some German gray there. I mean, you guys can do all types of things. The only thing I don't love about the kit, if you care, are just these thumbs. I wish they gave you different thumbs, maybe one, just because when you have it as a closed fist, that thumb just kind of sticks out. So that's kind of annoying, which is why I'm using these open hands for now. If there was 2 thumbs, that would help you make a balled up fist. That'd probably be a little better, but that'd be my only gripe. So hope you enjoy it. There it is, nice and close. And the next time you see this guy, he'll be dirty. Have a good one.